In this video, I'll show you how you can download company data from ASIC. To download data from ASIC, we must lodge a data download request form or RA71. To create a new ASIC form in Assistant, click on the arrow next to the New button, move the cursor to the ASIC forms, and select the appropriate form from the list provided. If you are not acting as an ASIC agent for the company, you must create and lodge Form 362, Appointment or Cessation of a Registered Agent by a Company. In this form, you must select Appointment of the company for the agent and complete the signature section. If you are already acting as an ASIC agent for the company, select Form RA71 to request company data from ASIC. The form has been populated with details from the client's record. We must select Request for Data Download from the list of options and enter your agent details. Save the form and click on the Validate button to check for any logical errors in the form. If the form has passed the validation test, click on the Status button and change the status of the form to Signed to prepare the form for lodgement. You can now lodge the form with ASIC. To lodge the form, click on the arrow next to the ELS button and select ASIC Lodgement. All forms with the status Signed will be collected for lodgement and displayed in the lodgement screen. You must be connected to the internet before you click on the Send button to start the lodgement. During the lodgement session, Assistant will send all forms that were prepared for lodgement and will collect transmission and validation reports from ASIC. The reports will be displayed automatically upon the completion of the lodgement session. The first page on the preview screen displays the report generated by Assistant notifying us of the company data file received from ASIC. The second page displays the transmission report that lists the forms received by ASIC. In this case, it was Form RA71. The third page displays the validation report that indicates whether this lodged form was accepted or rejected by the ASIC Lodgement Gateway. In this case, the form was accepted. If we close the preview screen, we will see that Assistant has changed the status of the lodged form automatically. The green tick represents the accepted status of the form. During lodgement of RA71 form, we have received an outbound file from ASIC containing the data for the requested company, Data Download Company. Assistant did not import the file automatically. We have to import the file by selecting the File menu, Import Data, and Import ASIC Data. This option will show all outbound files received by Assistant. We can use a filter to narrow down the list of files displaying only company files. And finally, locate the file we want to import. Assistant will check if the company record with the same ACN as the import file already exists in Assistant's database. If it does exist, the record of the existing company will be updated. If it does not exist, it will create one. Let's open the register of the Data Download Company and check which data was imported. As you can see, we have all the details of the company addresses, office holders, share structure, and list of shareholders.